So we've already done that. We're kind of ahead of the game a little bit. And so now that you know, you understand exactly who your customer is. And so you're no longer guessing about what to say. We're no longer shooting at, a moving target. You know their specific pain points, their interests, and their goals. So every piece of content needs to resonate. You need to think about, whatever you put out. Content primarily, and I had to figure this out too because social media is not what it was when it started, in MySpace, I think was the beginning for me. So it back then we were just aimlessly posting things. You would post whatever, put some music in the background, back that thing up, excuse my French, but that, back that's what it was. Everybody had the music, like the rap music or whatever on your MySpace. But everything has progressed, and now, there's a method to the madness. So now, as business owners, when we've decided to be business owners, we want to make sure that we are sharing our knowledge and insight. And so the knowledge and things that we know and say and the things that we do well is our content. And so record it. I'm preaching to the choir. I'm covering my face because I don't do it all the time. But either way, we have to, get better at if this is our goal, if we want to get in front of our audiences, just taking the time to capture that content to place you in the area of thought leadership in your business. So if you are like Dr. Jalita, she's a physician and she has this space where it's an eye center, but people are in there and it's a five-star experience. You want to be able to capture and show that. And I've seen, the nap bar, like that's a five-star experience, sharing those pieces of content so that people can see themselves in that space and understand that this is amazing. This is a place that I need to be. What's the nap bar for? Why do I need a concierge, experience with my eye exam? But, they may not know, but if they watch that content, then they'll be convinced like, oh, this is why. This is why I keep seeing her. I trust her. I know her and I want to go to her. And so there's just so many reasons. So we create, we research, we measure, we promote, we publish, and we optimize this content. And so I like to use a race model, and that's common. Race is reach, act, convert, and engage. So, how will you reach them? What are you going to do? Are you going to post on social media? Are you going to write blogs? Are you going to go to networking events? And then when you reach them and you give them your card and you've talked to them, what action do you want them to take? Do you want them to book with you? Do you want them to schedule a meeting? Do you want them to come to the facility? Do you want them to tell somebody? Overall, what do you want them to do? And you want to get really clear when making that content strategy on what is it that you want them to do. Because then when you get over to conversion, then you want to see, did they truly convert? What did they book the appointment? Did they visit me? Did they come back? Are they over into the engaging in the engaging area? Are they telling people? Are they writing a testimonial? What are they doing to start that passion for your brand, and that ultimately turns into brand loyalty?